guys, running Kimono here. So I did a couple transactions today over at Walgreens and it's pretty good. And we even have a Meyer freebie for you. And there's a little Christmas tree for you. Weather report for you. There's Grace Suzu out there saying hi. It's a beautiful day, kind of warmish. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Walgreens is where it's at this week for Black Friday and deals and steals. So the first one is with the Red Bull. This guy is $2.29. We have the $2.29 manufacturer coupon, zeroing it out to free. If you're in Michigan, you might have to pay a bottle deposit of 10 cents for this. As you can see, I already drank mine, but free Red Bull is the best kind of Red Bull. This is the deal of the week, I think. Now, Walgreens has a buy two, get one for free on skincare. So we're pairing this with IBOTTA and Shopkick and a little bit of magic, and it's just a great deal. So these Vaselines are $4.29 each. This guy is $6.29. So you're gonna buy two, get one for free. Hopefully you can follow my drift. So I had $1 Peely for the Burt's Bees makeup wipes, and then I had a 3 off of 2 digital for this. After all of that came off, guys, I had to pay $6.58 out of pocket, got back $1 from Ibotta for this, and then I got back 1,700 points from Shopkick for all of this, which is basically 1,000 points for the makeup wipes, which is $4, and then 700 points for a Vaseline. So, and then also $1 back from Ibotta. So that's free plus $1 moneymaker for this basket. Later in the week, if I wish to, I can go onto coupons.com. They have a 3 off of 2 for the Vaseline, so I will pay an extra $3 and then make an application later for the 3 off of 2 for the Vaseline. And hey, I'm in business to get back $3 and to do this deal one more time. And then Shopkick has reset for me now twice for the purchase of this. So hopefully it all resets one more time because I wouldn't mind getting this freebie one more time. If you have no idea how to use the new updated coupons.com app, please check out the video linked in the notes and sign up. I also have a link to sign up. It's a very easy and powerful app to use. In the last week, guys, we've gotten a tub of Cool Whip, some coffee for free. It's where it's gonna be at for some freebies. So you really get on board and try using the coupons.com app. Yep, it's a little bit of a learning curve, but the video that I have is very ABC 1, 2, 3 how to use it. And once you start using it, you're gonna have a good amount of fun with it. One thing I will let you guys know, I used a digital 3 off of 2 from Walgreens, the app. So I can't use that twice, like with the app and then coupons.com, because coupons.com, those are manufacturer coupons that you're applying to after the fact. So if you buy something without a manufacturer coupon, that's when you can use it. So hopefully that's crystal clear. If not, your receipt will get rejected, just to note that. But like, how fantastic is that? I really want to do this deal one more time. And again, if you're not sure about the coupons.com app, check it out, especially if you live in a smaller city or community where you get no inserts and you get absolutely nothing. This is an opportunity for you to get your hands on the Tide, the Gain, Vaseline coupons, you know, all the greats. So check it out. It's a really great app. Next deal that we have is with the Crest Oral B. These guys are $3 each. So for 3 of them, that is $9. We had two $2 digital coupons that showed up this morning, a $2 off of the brush and then a $2 off of the paste. And then I had one $2 from the December P&G. So that subtracted $6 right there. I paid 3 out of pocket and then got back a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $2 money maker. Now I will let you guys know one little thing before I go on to the next deal. My $2 for the Oral B did not come off. So what I had to do, guys, was call customer service, and they just put $2 of Walgreens cash on my store card, and that was pretty easy. So just to note that, I had that little goofy hiccup, but that's why it's always good to look at your receipt and really scrutinize it when you get home. Because if I lost $2, that's not extreme couponing, that's just shopping, and we're not about that, we're about extreme couponing. This next deal is also quite sensational. The Colgate Total SF is $2.99. Grabbing 2 of this specific one, that's $5.98. We had a 50-cent digital that showed up this morning, plus a 50-cent coupon in this weekend's Smart Source. You would pay $4.98 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, and guess what? IBOTTA has dollar rebates back, and you can do it up to 2 times. So you will get back an extra $2 from IBOTTA, making this haul free, plus a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the Purex Crystals. These are $10 for 5, so it shakes them out to $2 each. There's a $1 coupon from the Retail Me Not of November the 1st, but that coupon is very, very specific that you can only use 1 per person, per household, per day. It's pretty ironclad because I believe this company is Hankler. There it is, Henkel. So they're very specific with their coupons, and I didn't want to get any trouble. So grabbing 5 of these, that's 10 on the nose. I used $1 coupon, plus I had a $5 coupon from this deal that I threw in, plus a $2 register reward from the deodorant deal last week. So that shaved off $8, so I had to pay 2 out of pocket for the 5, which is not too bad. So the final deal that we have is, a lot of you are probably like, well, where are your cute slippers? Where are the slippers? I saw the note of doom at my store, which was, you know, 2 toilet papers per person or else. So instead of those cute little slippers, I went for the Cottonelle that's $5.99 this week. We also have a $1 digital coupon that showed up this morning, dropping it down to $4.99. And I used my $5 register reward from the Crest to get it a lot lower. So that's the method to that madness. So this guy is $5.99, subtracting that $5 register reward and the $1 digital coupon. I threw in this so I could get my coupons to work, which is a little filler item. I basically paid 32 cents. This caramel is 33 cents, so it was 32 cents after everything was said and done. I just thought the toilet paper was a better value than the slippers. This will get cleared a lot faster than slippers, so that's why I went with the Cottonelle today. Maybe later in the week I'll grab some fancy slippers if I'm feeling so fancy. And the last thing that I grabbed was a community coffee. These guys are $2.99. That's $5 of savings, guys. So we had a $2 register reward last week from the Dove, the men's deodorant deal. So I threw in one of those and it was 99 cents. So I was not losing any sleep over that. That's a really great dealio. Okay, so the last store that we have is Meijer. Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest. Google if you have the store or not. And there's no sister store to Meijer. Meijer is its own thing. So the Folgers 1850 coffee is $1.50. We have $1.50 off M-Perk, which is basically a manufacturer coupon. You won't even pay tax or a bottle deposit for this, so it's basically free. You know what I would do if I was you? I would grab 2 of them. That's $3. You would get $1.50 off for one. Coupons.com has a rebate for $1.50 back when you buy one of these. So one you'll get totally for free. The other one you'll pay $1.50 out of pocket, and then make a submission to coupons.com with your receipt for this and get back $1.50. It would make this one free as well. So like 2 free coffees, and these are 15 fluid ounces. So you can drink about half per day because it's a lot of coffee. I mean, come on guys, it doesn't get any better than this. So, okay guys, and as I was recording this video, coupons.com released this, which is a bag of Jet Puffs completely for free. You go to the store, buy it, then photograph your receipt to the app, get back $2. This is part of everybody's Thanksgiving dinner. So if you want to check out that video, I mean, I know a lot of you, you're just not sure about how to use this app because it's new tech and all that stuff. It's pretty easy. I'll link a video at the end and a link if you want to just download the app and just play around with it. But like earlier in the week, there was free Cool Whip. We have a free coffee. We have free marshmallows. Kind of look at what I'm talking about, guys. This is going to be a very powerful app for us to use to get a lot of freebies. So at Meijer, grab this, grab the coffee, and make it happen. If you can look for your digital coupons, make something happen. There are some respectful deals to be had and found. This isn't the worst week, and especially if you could track down these. If your store has a lot of, you know, limits and stuff, try and work around it, even if you're getting like a Cottonelle. Look how massive these rolls are. I mean, this deal, it doesn't get any better than that. And if you might have the $1 coupon and you can work some magic, use some Walgreens cash, whatever you might have, make that deal happen too, because it is really fantastic. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.